Hello from Seoul. This is one of the most beloved Korean side dishes in history. Trust me, with this bad boy on the table, even the pickiest eaters will devour it. Today, we're gonna be making Gyeran, a Korean-style rolled omelet. This dish is not only one of the most beloved Korean side dishes, but it can also be a great main dish or even drinking food. Nice and fluffy egg omelet with some beautiful veggies. It'll be hard not to fall in love with this. What? It looks like a difficult to make? Don't worry about it. With just a little tips that I'm gonna share today, I'm sure you can make it like a pro. So stop worrying and give it a try. For this, you will need some eggs, green onion, carrot, and onion. Actually, the veggies are totally optional, but when these guys go in, it'll be colorful and give you that authentic Korean vibe. So just grab any veggies you have and give it a try. Everything will be fantastic. Alright, let's start with the vegetables. First, thinly slice some green onions. If you don't have green onions, you can also use garlic chives because eggs and garlic chives, they're a great combo too. Next, finely chop some carrot. As a little tip, when making a Korean-style egg omelet, it's best to chop all the veggies as finely as possible because that way, each bite will have a bit of everything and it will be much easier to roll up. Once that's done, finely chop some onion. I've chopped a little bit more than we need because I wanted to show you how it works, but about 1 tablespoon of each vegetable will be enough. So don't make a special trip to the grocery store and use some leftover veggies in your fridge. Alright, the veg prep is done. Let's move on to the eggs. Crack about 4 to 6 eggs into a small container and beat them up really well. Honestly, how many eggs you use doesn't really matter. If you want a nice big fat omelet, you can use more. If you're eating alone, you can use fewer. But to make a decent looking rolled omelet, you'll probably need at least 4 eggs. So it's all up to you. Alright, to the beaten eggs, let's add the veggies that we chopped earlier, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of sugar, a pinch of white pepper or black pepper, and give that a good mix. Now some of you might ask, Aaron, why do we need sugar here? I'm so glad you brought that up. The sugar is not there to make it taste sweet. It's more like a flavoring answer here. So it's gonna boost the overall taste. Trust me, it's just gonna make it more delicious. By the way, we have all the instructions and a list of ingredients on our blog, aaronandclaire.com. So please visit here if you need a written recipe. Alright, we're set. Let's get cooking. Add half a tablespoon of oil to a non-stick pan and use paper towels to spread it out evenly. Once that's done, turn the heat to low heat. Now to make a beautiful rolled omelet, you're gonna need secret weapons. That is, just 2 regular spoons. Trust me, with these bad boys, even if it's your first try, you'll be able to make it like a pro. Once the pan gets nice and hot, pour about 1/3 of the egg mixture and tilt the pan to spread it out evenly. And then just let it cook for about 30 seconds. When the bottom of the eggs are set and the top is still a bit runny, it's time to roll. Put your spoons under the eggs and gently start rolling. See? It's not that difficult, right? Once fully rolled, move it to the lower part of the pan and lightly coat the pan again. Once that's done, add about 1/3 of the egg mixture, spread it out, and cook for about 30 seconds. Again, let's roll it up with our secret weapons. Even if it tears a bit while rolling, you don't have to worry about it. You can simply pour a bit more egg mixture to patch it up or keep rolling. As you layer the eggs, they will just disappear eventually. So stay calm and keep rolling. From now on, all you need to do is just repeat the process one more time. Super simple, right? Like I said earlier, the number of eggs doesn't really matter. As long as you take your time and slowly roll it with gentle heat, you're gonna be right with 100 eggs. Alright, once you've got a beautiful block of egg like this, lightly sear on each side for about 30 seconds. Trust me, once it turns a light golden brown, it will look even more appetizing. When the eggs are beautifully seared on all sides, transfer it to a cutting board and then let it rest for about 2 minutes before you slice it, because if it's too hot, it can easily fall apart. Alright, time's up. Let's slice it. How does it look? It looks amazing, right? Alright, let's transfer it to a serving plate and see how it tastes. But before we meet our taste tester, let's take a moment to thank our sponsor, Soul Sisters. Making kimchi from scratch is not easy. It takes hours of preparation and several days of fermentation process. But with this Soul Sisters canned kimchi, you can leave all those worries behind. All you need to do is just open the can and enjoy traditional Korean napa cabbage kimchi. Thanks to its convenient packaging, you can take it anywhere and enjoy kimchi anytime. Do you remember Claire always says everything tastes better with kimchi, right? This will be the ultimate solution for all the kimchi lovers out there. What makes it even better is that it's made with high quality Korean napa cabbage and premium local vegetables, which means you can enjoy the authentic taste of Korea. Plus, it's vegan friendly, so everyone can enjoy it together. Besides this amazing canned kimchi, Soul Sisters provide a variety of tasty kimchi-inspired products. If you visit their official Amazon store, you will find kimchi seasoning, kimchi snacks, and many more. If you want to try one of these for yourself and experience authentic Korean kimchi taste, click the link in the description and visit their official Amazon store. You will get special discounts on your purchase. Thanks Soul Sisters for sponsoring this video.
Claire.
계란말이 되게 예쁘네. A bowl of hot rice and this 계란말이 Korean rolled omelet. You can go wrong with this combination. Let's give it a try. Wow, look at the layers. I love those layers, and the little veggies, it will make it look more beautiful. Cheers! 사실 뭐 계란말이가 엄청나게 막 팬시하고 화려한 그런 음식이 아니잖아. 근데 뭐 별거 없는데 그냥 맛있네. 먹자마자 그냥 맛있다 이런 생각이 싹 든다. 계란은 따끈따끈하지. 그리고 약간 그 짭조름한 맛이 계란에 잘 배가지고 너무 좋아. 그리고 야채는 아주 약간의 그 아삭함을 추가해줘서 너무 좋다. 냄새도 너무 좋아. 맛있어. 이거 식어도 맛있어가지고 도시락 반찬으로도 진짜 맛있어. 어렸었을 때 내 최애 도시락 반찬 중에 하나였어. 너무 맛있어. 하지만 도시락에 싸갈 때 난 항상 늘 케첩과 함께 싸갔지. Tomatoes and eggs, they're a match made in heaven. Let's give it a try. I'm not sure I can drizzle it beautifully. 망쳤다. 애기가 해놓은 것 같네. It doesn't really matter. It's gonna be still delicious. Cheers! 역시 케첩이 있어야 돼. The little bit of sweetness and tanginess of the ketchup make it taste twice better. Or maybe even more. So addicted. I can't get enough of this. As a pro tip, if you're a big fan of cheese, add some cheese when you roll it. Trust me, that melted cheese is gonna be so good. Honestly, I prefer that version to this classic one. Sorry, Yara.
Today, I showed you how to make 계란말이, one of the most beloved Korean side dishes of all time. How was it? It's easy to make, budget-friendly, and absolutely delicious, right? So I really want you to give it a try. Trust me, if you make it at home, you will see the magic that even the pickiest eater will finish a bowl of rice in no time. I guarantee it. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.